Ini ya Bu soalnya.
Ya, Miss. Terima kasih ya, Miss.
Ya, sama-sama.
Mari,
Berkati ya,
Miss.
mari.
Good morning, students. Now you are going to take the Cambridge Primary Checkpoint. Now show your sealed packets. Open these packets. Use a scissors to open it. You have the papers, and then you have 3 plastic envelopes. 1, 2, 3. Take the envelope with a blue mark. Open the packets and take the paper. You have to fill in the form correctly. The first one, candidate name, your full name with capital letters, and sender number ID 336, and the last, your candidate number based on your own number. You have 40 minutes to do the test. Okay, students, you have 5 minutes left. Well, the time is up. You have to start writing now. Take the envelope with a blue mark and then put your paper inside it. Then seal this. Okay? Make sure you put the right paper, because once you put it inside, you cannot open it again. Reopen it will cause such this damage. You have a 20-minute break time now. Be back and be ready for the next paper. Welcome back, students. Turn your camera on now. Take the envelope with a yellow mark and show that it is still sealed. You have 40 minutes to do the test. Attention! You have 5 minutes left. Time is up. Stop writing now. Take the envelope with a yellow mark. Put your paper inside it and seal the envelope. Take your shipping envelope. Put the envelopes with blue and yellow mark inside it and seal it. Show the sealed envelope now. You can log out now and give the package to your parent or guardian.